how to make memes in Blender. So first we gotta fucking crop this. Uh, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. I think that's kind of fucking obvious. So now select your video clip, uh, scale, and just make it funny, make it so wide, haha funny, haha funny. Oh shit. uh, Make it wide and funny. Now to move it, just go to position and just fuck around with that. And as you can see, it's cropped. Don't ask what I'm making. Just follow along with the tutorial. Go over here, add image slash sequence. Go into your meme folder, then the templates folder. Select your meme and make sure that the meme is above the video. Make sure that you do this. I suck at explaining. Then make sure you select the thing, the meme, the funny, and just fuck around with the position until you get it right. Now, this is perfect. This is fucking wonderful. Now what you wanna do to render this is go over here. You don't have to mess around with this. I'm gonna just put no audio because I will have no audio. Actually, no. I will make a sound edit. Go over here and just go in here. Memes and funny. And now you just go over. You control. You click. You press Control F12, or you can go to render and render animation, and it will render for you. Congratulations, you are not a dipshit. And yeah, bye.